You're a premium agency. Your clients expect perfection, but with most platforms, you're forced to compromise. Generic branding that diminishes your client's identity, or the constant worry of server issues, unexpected expenses, and those frustrating little glitches that break immersion. All that time spent debugging and managing, it diverts your team from what they do best, creating phenomenal content. How about you find a different caliber of platform for all your pixel streaming needs? Introducing Eagle 3D Streaming. Effortless, branded, reliable for Unreal Engine. It promised what others hadn't truly delivered. And a free workshop? This felt like the precise solution you've been seeking. It is profound. Quentin will not just tell you about it, he will show you. The intuitive dashboard, the branding tools, and the deployment process. We will show how Eagle makes it all truly effortless. You will see your biggest frustrations being solved right here, live. The next client presentation will be a game changer. Your client will be absolutely thrilled. No glitches, no generic interfaces, just your stunning Unreal Engine work, delivered perfectly, branded flawlessly. Eagle 3D Streaming, it will change how you deploy, how you impress, and how your agency truly stands apart. You've searched for the best pixel streaming platform and you've seen the impact it can make. If your visualization agency is creating incredible Unreal Engine content, but feeling limited by existing deployment options, if you're ready to eliminate technical burdens, achieve complete brand command, and deliver an interactive experience that truly elevates your client's perception, this isn't just another option. It's the strategic advantage you've been seeking. Join us to refine your approach. The world's leading visualization agencies are adopting the Eagle standard. Will you? Register now. Bill.